so today I think I'll finally get these wheels back on. I'm just not going to paint them right now. They're in primer. I don't want to piece it together in paint, so they're protected. But I'm going to get my gaskets, got to finish cutting them out. Then we're going to start cleaning and putting the new bearings in. I got them all over here. And some various other things I'm going to get done, but we're going to get started on it. Well, the inner race on the outside bearing was definitely Timken. And the inner cut was a Timken too. So whoever put the bearings in it last time, at least one of them, only one bearing was marked Timken out of all four. So they didn't replace the races or the outer cups or whatever you want to call them. This is the dust seal surface for the inside of the hub here. And alright, so I've got my gaskets made. I got carried away, put the wrong punch for that hole, but I took that inner race and centered in it to cut out my middle section, so hopefully it'll work pretty well. So I've got my bearings in, or the cups rather, not the bearings, races. And I've got my dust seal sleeve in and the inner bearing in. What I'm having trouble with now is getting the dust seal, the actual seal, I don't know what you'd call it here, off, so that I can get the felt washer on, get this new, I've got this one also in the box, get that put on, and then I can pack my bearings and get it put on here. But the tractor is very precariously propped up. I've got to figure out how I'm going to do this, and I'm not sure right now I'm going to do that, but that's my next little project here, figure that out. Alright, I'm in a standstill on the front end. It's been a while since I've cranked it, and it's, I don't know, let's see what it'll do. Make sure again it's out of gear. I'm always nervous about that. I don't like to crank one from here. In fact, I'm not going to. I'm going to get behind it, give it a little bit of throttle. Well, she fired. I've never had to choke this tractor, but I've also never left it sitting 2 months either. There's life in there. Let's give it a little choke, just see. Alright, YouTube. I love that little noise they make when you cut them off like that. And get this fuel cut off. Well, there she sits, still on 2 legs and a lean-to, but hopefully get back to this here pretty soon. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all next time.